So this is a graphics card. So this is how you repaste a graphics card. First of all, you need to do all the screws at the back, as you can see here, just to make sure that they're all undone, and just make sure you get all of the smaller ones too. After that, just fold it like a book. There will be a wire attached. And so just make sure that you either detach it, or you just be very careful with it like I've done here. After that, you just want to get yourself, if you can, just like a plastic tool here, and just clean off as much of the paste as you can, and then give it a good clean with some alcohol, and then after that, just reapply your thermal paste, and it's pretty much all done. And then just put it all back together.